So a CD and a DVD.
Sir, screen gone.
Yes, I'm showing you. Wait. A CD and a DVD cost X dollar. If a CD costs $10, then what does the DVD cost? I'm taking that.
$X minus 10.
Yes. I'm taking all these three questions in our board. So the cost of, here it is given, the cost of CD is $10. So therefore the DVD togetherly CD plus DVD togetherly cost X dollar. This is dollar sign of X, and CD is $10. Then definitely only DVD X minus 10, this much. And DVD cost 3 times the CD. Then what does the CD cost? DVD cost, question number B. Question number A solved. B. DVD cost how much? No, 4 times, sorry, 3 times. 3 into $10. That means $30. Dollar sign you will write it before the number.
3 into
So
10.
Sir, can you write this step by step?
here it is given. Question number B is not like that. That means question number B is not related to this. Sagnik, you put yourself mute. And what does the cost of CD cost? They are asking if DVD cost 3 times the CD. So let the DVD, that means CD DVD togetherly X. So let CD be dollar Y, DVD be dollar 3Y, just 3 times of it togetherly. That means X plus as per condition, not X, we have taken Y. So we will write that as per condition $Y and 3Y togetherly makes this one. So 4Y is equal to this much. Therefore, Y is equal to, that means the cost of CD is X by 4. We'll write answer. The cost of
X by
CD,
4.
yeah, of CD is $X by 4. Okay. Now, question number 5. Today, I'll show you also the question paper. So last day I was supposed to show you the question paper of past years and how we will solve this question paper. Though we are doing the second chapter, but from the
Sir,
beginning
can you
only.
tell us the
Yeah.
names
Yes.
of the chapters of our? Can you tell us the name of our chapters in the syllabus?
Syllabus means you have a first exam within 1 month. I think there will include only first 2-3 chapters. We are running in the
Three
second
chapters.
chapter only,
Okay,
because
sir.
it is of 20 marks. Okay, it is of
Yes,
20 marks
okay.
exam.
There will be two chapter or 3 chapter.
2 or 3 chapters. So let me discuss with the management the time of the exam, and that based on that we will
Okay,
put
sir.
our
Sir,
syllabus.
the exam
Okay?
will be online or offline?
That I don't know. Yet I have to discuss and the marks division and also the timing. Based on that, I will make the syllabus. If the exam is nearer, then we cannot complete too many syllabus. So we will put only the 2 chapters. If the exam we have at least 1 month time in hand, then we'll put 3-4 chapters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So question number 5. A woman is m years old. How old will she be in 10 years time? Now present age, will write that present age of the woman.
Sir, m plus 10.
Yes,
M plus 10.
is m years. So after 10 years, the age will be
M plus 10.
Yes, m plus 10 years. Okay. So how old was she 10 years ago? Definitely m minus
10.
10. Yes. So m minus 10. I'm writing the answer directly. Then Sagnik will ask us to write the steps. Sagnik, how her son is half her age. How old is the son? Present
M
age
by
is
2.
Sir, m
yes,
by 2.
yes, present age,
M by
half
2.
of the present age. So we'll write this one at least. Present age of her m years. So present age of her son is m by 2 years.
Sir, you are writing in the whiteboard.
No, I'm writing on same page.
No, sir,
Sir,
we
but it
can't.
is not showing. Yes, sir, we can't see.
Yes, sir, we can't see.
Yes, sir, we can't see.
Is it? But I have
Yes,
shared
Yes,
a
sir.
screen. I have shared a screen. Let me
We
refresh.
can see the
I can see
we
the
can
screen.
see the page, but you are writing in we can't see.
Okay, okay. Let me stop this.
Yes, sir,
And
your writings we can see.
is it? I'm thinking that you are
Yes,
able
sir.
to see that. Okay,
No,
wait.
sir.
No,
That's why
sir.
I'm telling.
Now,
Yes, sir.
No,
Now we
sir.
can see. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, I can see the screen, but not your
Yes,
writings.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
now
Sir,
we
now
now I can see.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Now
right.
we can see.
Now we can see.
refresh your button. Refresh your button. Hope we will able to see this.
yes, sir, we can see.
Okay,
Yes, sir,
thank
we can
you.
see.
Oh, sorry. I thought you are seeing and okay, no problem. Sorry, actually I couldn't understand that you are unable to see that screen, but I have shared a screen. I don't know why this problem occurs. Let's see. 3 peoples win a prize of $P. 3 people.
Sir, it is better to write the
Sir, first one 6A I can understand, and in 6B I am having a doubt.
Okay, let me read. If 3 people win a prize of $P, $P prize amount, and they win not alone, togetherly, 3 people. If they share the prize equally, how much will they receive? They will receive $P by 3
By
each.
3.
Okay. If one of the people wins 3 times as much money as the other 2, how much will each receives? If one of the people wins 3 times as much money as other 2, that means let one receive 3 times as much as other do. Other 2, this means 2 friends. Let other 2 friends, everybody has received So we will write this. We'll write that let each of two friend receives $X and the third friend and their third friend receives how much? Now 3 times as much the money other two has received. So other two has received X dollar each, receives X dollar each. All right, each. That means togetherly they receives X plus X 2X, and the third friend has received as much money as the other two. That means 3 times of 2X, this much dollar. That means how much dollar? Total 6X dollars. Yes. So total amount is X plus X plus 6X. That means 8X. Total 8X dollar. Okay. Is that clear? So
Yes, sir.
each
Sir,
of
wait,
the
sir, wait.
X dollar.
Sir, I can't understand it.
Yes, tell.
Sir, I can't understand from here that the 3 multiplied by 2 from there. My
Each
answer
of
is
the
not.
friend, you just listen first on. Each of the friends got X dollar. First one got X, second one also got X, no problem. But the third friend, he received 3 times of the total amount other two friend has received. Total amount of other two friends was X plus X 2X. He received 3 times of that. That means 3 into 2X, that means total 6X amount. So the amount of each friend X, X and 6X. Okay. So total
Yes, sir.
amount is 8X. Now we'll say that 8X dollar is equal to our dollar P. So X is equal to P by 8. First friend
P.
received P by 8. Second friend also received P by 8. And the third friend received how much? P by 8. P by 8. First and second friend and third friend received 3 times of their total. Then P by 8. P by 8 how much? 8 LCM P plus P 2P. Then P by 4. And 3 times of P by 4. That means 3P by 4. Please match your answer.
Yes, sir, I also thought like this, but the answer is not that.
What the answer is?
So the answer is first one we get dollar P by 5, then dollar
Okay,
P
okay,
5.
understood. That means here there is some twist in that. As much money as other two, so we have taken the total amount money of other two. They are not saying of total amount money. There the word quite ambiguous. We are thinking of that total amount of money of other two. It is not that. The each amount of money of everybody receives. That means X, each of other friends has receives just 3 times of that. That means 3x. That means this amount will be 3x.
আরে ভালো লাগছে না।
This amount will be 3x. Okay, that means the third friend receives just 3 times of each of them. That means each of them received x and x, and this one will be 3x. Now the total amount x plus x plus 3x. So we will, yes, this one will be 3x. This one will be also be changed. Then we are going to clean it. We have some different answer over here. Okay, so what we'll write here, we'll write x plus x, and here it is 3x. That means total 5x.
5x.
So each will receives how much? Each will receives, let me clean this portion. Each will receive dollar x by 5, sorry, dollar p by 5.
$p by 5, then $p by 5, then 3p by 5
Okay,
dollar.
p by 5. The second one will also receives this much dollar p by 5, and another friend will receive, that means the 3 times of this. That means 3p by 5, right?
$3. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My answer is okay.
Okay, so up to this we have completed. Have you noted all this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir, I have question in exercise 2.2.
okay, 2.2 will go for right now.
I have question.
This is your exercise 2.2.
Yes, sir. I have
Yes.
problem in 3 and 6.
3 and 6. Any other? Any other will ask any other problem?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 2.2. Question number 2H.
2.2. Question number 2.
Question number
2H. This one.
Yes, sir.
2 into
Yes.
2 into
Yes,
AB
sir.
whole square. So what is the value of each expression when A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 2? That I'm doing over here only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 2, A value 3, B value 5. That means what we will write? AB 3 into 5 and
3 into
whole square.
5 whole square.
Whole square into 2.
2.
That means 3 into 5, 15. 15 is square, 225. 15 square, 225 into 2. That means 450.
50.
Okay. Any more? Any more portion or you have doubt? If no, then we'll go for next.
Yes, sir. Question. Sir, I have one. 2.2. Question number 2 is.
Question number 2S. Okay. That means this one.
Yes, sir.
This one. Here also
Yes, sir.
you put the value of AB.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Put the value A is equal to how much? 3.
3. 3.
Yes, sir.
So
3.
3 into 8.
24.
We'll write here 24 divided by a plus b. Cube root of a plus b means 3 plus 5. That means 8. So now you tell cube root of 8 how much? 2. And here it is 24.
2.
So answer is 12.
12.
12.
Any more?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have problem.
Yes, ask. Don't wait.
Question number 5.
Question number 5. Yes, we are coming for. Okay, in this question number 5, let me take this in board. Okay, 4, 5, and 6. These 3 questions I'm taking to board. This much. Okay, tell question number 4, 5, and 6. What you have problem in those?
Question number 5.
The formula for finding the perimeter of rectangle is this, where L represent length, B represent breadth of the rectangle. Find the perimeter of rectangles if the length is this and breadth is this. Perimeter
Sir,
you have to find.
easy.
Yes, tell.
Sir, it is easy.
Easy only. So
Yes, sir.
perimeter you need to find 2 into length is given 12 and breadth is given 9. So 12
2
plus
into
9,
21.
21. Yes, that is only. That means 42.
41.
2.
No,
2 into
42.
Yes, 42.
42. And perimeter is in centimeter unit. Okay. The same way length and breadth is given of another. You will put this 2.5 plus 1.5. 4 into 2, 8 meter. And the third one you will put 20 centimeter and breadth is half as long. Then that means 10, 20 plus 10, the 30 into 2, that means 60 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter and length is the cube of breadth. That means cube of 2, how much? 8. That means length is 8, breadth is 2, length and breadth. And perimeter is into 2, this much centimeter. That
20
means
answer.
20,
20 centimeter.
20 centimeter.
Okay, we have done this one also. Hope it is clear. Then find the value
Sir,
of this
you-
expression.
Sir,
Yes,
what
ask.
is the answer for question number 2 is?
12.
What's
Yes.
my answer? 12. Sir, can
What?
you show that
Yes.
one time?
Yes. Let's see. This one? No, sorry.
2s.
This one, no? This sum.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. We'll do it over here. Okay. So it is 8a. That means 8 into the value of a is 3. And cube root of 3 plus 2. That means 5. It was 3 and b is 5. That means 8. Okay. That means 24. And cube root of 8. That means 2. That means 24 or 12. Sagnik, how much is your answer?
At
Sir,
12.
my answer.
Yes, Sagnik. Tell. Okay. Now I'm going to take your roll call. We have.
Sir, you can solve question number 6. I can't understand. You can explain.
Okay, let me take the roll call first. So let's see. class 9. Abu Sahid absent. Aditya Raj, okay. Afisha, you are present. Afisha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Orijit present.
No, sir.
Sir,
Orijit
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 is
absent, sir.
absent.
Orijit absent.
Orijit absent
Want to
today.
answer how?
Debatrio.
Absent.
Farah present. Sagnik, you mute
Present, sir.
yourself. Farah Yasmin, Hasmina present.
Yes, sir.
Kostab present. Kostab is absent.
No, sir. Yes. Sir, I am present. Sir, I am present.
Okay. Ofai Tisa present. Pritam Mandal present. Okay. Then Samayan Das present, right? Present. Aradha.
Present, sir.
Okay. Samiuddin present. Saklin absent. Neha Parveen.
Present, sir.
Neha. Okay.
Present, sir.
Somi, you are present. Somi Maji.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done.
Sir, sir, you have called my name.
Name.
Sheikh Afrin Ali.
Okay, I made you present. No problem. Now, question number 6, I'm explaining. We have only 2 minutes time. This class. Find the value of this expression n square plus n plus 41 when n is equal to 1. Put the value of n is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus 41. That means 1 plus 1, 2 plus 41. That means 43 value. When n is equal to 3, n is equal to 5, we will put the values. Here it is n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 3, what will be the value? N is equal to 3. This is the n is equal to 1 value. Now I'm putting here n is equal to 3 value. That n square, that means 3 square plus 3 plus 41. That means 9 plus 3 plus 41. And 9 plus 3, 12. And 41 plus 12, 53. Okay, the same way, this and this also. What do you notice about all these answer? That means this and this answer. What we have noticed? That there is a difference of 10. And let me see the third answer. N is equal to 5. So n square is equal to 25 plus 5 plus 41. 25 plus 5 and 30. That means answer will be 71. And if when we'll put the n is equal to 10, 10 square means 100 plus 10, and 110 plus 41. That means 151. What is the similarities between this answer? This is 43. This is 53. 10 difference. 53 and 71. How much the difference? 18.
8, sir. 8.
53.
No.
18 difference. And
18, 18.
here the difference between these two. 80 difference.
70.
80 difference. Okay, so the difference is not showing any of the pattern. And why is the different?
Sir, you don't write the difference of 43 and 53.
This is 10.
Yes.
So why is this different when n is equal to 41? Oh, so the value of n when it will be 41, that means is 41 square plus 41 plus 41. That means at that time it will be 41 square plus 2 into 41. That means it will be in the form of a formula like a square plus 2 into a into 1 plus 1 square. So first two terms we will get if we will write n is equal to 41. Okay, these are only the patterns, so nothing much on that. Now,
Sir, you can show one of three, question number 3.
question number 3 of exercise
2.2. Yes, sir.
this one, is it? So work out the value
Yes,
of y
sir.
in each of the formula. When x equal to 0, 4 into 0 means 0. When x equal to 0 in this, 3 into 0, 0 and plus 1. That means only y is equal to 1. When x equal to 3, 3 3 is 9 plus 1 1 10. When x equal to 4, that means 4 3 is 12 plus 1 y is equal to 13. This way. Understood?
Yes, sir. And
Okay. Now I'm going to end your class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank
And
you, sir.
2.3 is your homework. You will try that. Exercise 2.3. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Bye-bye.